Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to change these little parking light bulbs that illuminate the eyebrow on a W204 C-Class. So if I focus on that, you can see that the light source is going to be right here and right here. So simply put, if you just pop the hood and look behind the headlight, what you're going to see is these two little black caps right here and right here. So you just come down in here and turn those, and these will just come off with just a little quarter turn, and you're gonna see this little head right here. So you're gonna want to grab that and pull it out. Sometimes you can get away with the lightly kind of pulling on the wiring or like this, but you want to be very careful and gentle, maybe give a little wiggle and pull it out. And you do that for both sides. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change them to LED so we can see the difference. So looking in here, I recommend taking something like the pliers here. And you're going to look in there, and what you're really going to want to do is not try and grab the wires. You can kind of see the ones that are here already messed up. So I would say that you want to kind of stick one end in the side here. You don't really want to grab like the whole thing, because then you risk slipping off and damaging the wiring. So I would say you want to put the pliers within the side like that and give it a little light pull. That way you don't damage the plastic or anything. And then you pull that out. And once you have that out, you should be able to just reach in there at this point and just get the little bulb out of there, and there it is. And then this is gonna just pull out of this housing. You probably want two hands, but as per usual, I'm using one. So let me see if I can get a second hand in here. So there we go. So this is gonna be your typical pill bulb, and it just slides in there. A regular connector. Be careful, these housings, you can see it's kind of yellow. That's typically an indication of heat stress and oxidation, so they can be brittle and break. Just want to operate with extreme caution. So I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same thing to that one, in which case we're just going to give that a little small turn. You can see whoever's been in here probably not very familiar, damaged the wiring and stuff. So we'll go ahead and grab it the same way, give it a light pull, come right out. And then we will flip this out, and it just comes right out. So as you guessed it, we're going to be using the T10 bulbs again. I have more of these lying around, so we're going to do what we can to get these installed. If I can find a nice place to set this. So I'll grab this. These are gonna simply just pop into that housing if I can capture this. So we will just go like that. Simply push it in. So this is gonna be a problem here, because it looks like there's a little bit of bleeding light coming through, which is going to keep these on. So let's just see how they look when you put them in. So basically, once you have it in the housing, you can then just push it until it snaps in there. And then that's how it looks. And so you'll notice that the other side is not on. And this side is on. So that's going to be a little bit of an issue. What we can do is we can try, don't know if I have, what we can do is try one of those obnoxiously bright looking ones. See if that works. So let's see here. If I grab this, we'll push this in there the same way. So these are not coming on, it looks like. It's a good sign. You just need to feed this back into the housing and it fits. So you can see that we have one turning on but not the other. So let's actually turn the lights on. Let's see what happens. So now we've got the lights on. And so as it turns out, you can see that it doesn't like the smaller T10. It's giving the CAN bus error, as they would call it. These are a lot brighter anyways, so we probably just want to put two of the brighter ones in there. So you can see a difference there. But as you can see, you just need to get the right bulbs in there. But if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And thanks for watching, everybody.